Hi, uh, good morning. This is Dr.M.Praveena, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science, working at Dr. S.N.S. Rajashmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see about a case study problem in generative AI. The, the case problem is Creative Content Generation Platform. So let's see what is creative content generation platform. It is automatically we can create the content with the help of the AI platform. That is called as creative content generation platform. Case study problem background. A startup named Creative Gen has developed a generative AI platform that can produce creative content including articles, stories, and poems. The platform has gained attention for its ability to generate high quality content in various styles, making it a valuable tool for content creators and marketers. This generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence technology that can produce various types of contents including text, images, audios, and synthetic data. The recent buzz around the generative AI has been driven by the simplicity of new user interface for creating high quality text, graphics, and videos in a matter of seconds. We can easily create a content with the text, graphics, and videos very easily and very quickly. Problem: even though it is very useful, there are so many problems against this. What is it means? Despite the platform's success, Creative Gen is facing a challenge related to ethical consideration and potential misuse of generative AI. There are so many copyright issues arises in this AI. Next, user has begun to exploit the system to generate fake news, misinformation, and content that may be harmful or misleading. These are the problems in content creation of AI, generative AI. So, what is the objective of our case study? Means ethical use. Develop a system or feature that ensures the ethical use of generative AI, preventing the generation of misleading or harmful content. We should prevent the misleading or harmful content. And then second one is user accountability. Implement a mechanism to track and hold user accountable for the content generated through the platform. So which user uses what type of data, likewise the user account has to be created in the AI platform. Next one is maintaining the creativity. Address the ethical concern without compromising the platform's primary function of fostering creativity and aiding content creation. So we have to maintain the creativity. And also content filtering. Content filtering means implement a robust content filtering system that can identify and block content that violates the ethical guidelines. If the customer are not following the ethical guidelines means, then those content should be blocked. This may involve a combination of rule based filters and machine learning models. Next one is user authentication. Introduce a user authentication system that requires user to verify their identity before gaining access to the generative AI. That is, before before they log in and get the data, they have to give their details. This may help in tracking and holding user accountability for content they generate. So once if we have a login ID and password, and then we are going for taking the content means, then there will be an account for each customer, and that account based on that account we can have a look on the customers what type of content they are getting and what type of data they are generating through this AI, and how they are using, whether they are using it properly or they are misleading it. Next one is community moderation. establish a community moderation system where user can report inappropriate content. If the user is creating any inappropriate content means, then we can report the users. Implement a review process where reported content is examined and necessary actions are taken. So each and every content whatever generator has to be logged in, and it should be authorized. If any of the user is misleading, then the necessary action has to be taken on that particular user. That is a community moderation. Educational champions. Develop an educational champion to inform user about the ethical use of generative AI and the potential consequences of misuse. So we have to develop an education system that inform the user about the ethical use of what are the ethical use of the generative artificial intelligence, and also we have to educate them about the consequences of the misuse. So this provides a guidelines and best practice for responsible content generation. And next one is the continuous model improvement. So whatever system we generate, there should be a updation that is very needed, as change is only the thing which cannot be changed. So on the regular updates and refine the generative AI model to better understand and respond to emerging patterns of misuse. So this can involve incorporating user feedback and continually enhancing the platform's content moderation capability, so that the content moderation also takes place frequently. So these are let us see about the outcome of this case study. By addressing the ethical concern and implementing measures to ensure the responsible use, this creative gen, that is creative gen, aims to maintain its reputation as a valuable and ethical tool for content creation. The success of these solutions will be measured through the reduction in the generation of harmful or misleading content and positive user feedback regarding the responsible use of the platform. Thank you.